Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store in Realme 10. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store and try to find the game. So here we need to look for Call of Duty, but as you can see there's no real results and we can't see the game right here. Go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to your settings. Here reveal the family and parental controls. Either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games to enter your PIN. Here increase PG to at least 16 and save the settings. Go back and here try to find the game, and now we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.